Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So with the tensions in the Middle East heightening, we've seen a push not only on gold but oil as well, as it opens quite dramatically to the upside this morning. And also with the looking back at Friday's Jackson Hole Symposium, for when Fed Chair Jerome Powell did give a clear indication that rate cuts are imminent, even though he didn't say when or by how many. There is a strong rhetoric, a strong sentiment that the September meeting in a few weeks' time will see the first rate cut in a few years since before the pandemic. And will we see more of a push for gold as it tries to close at another record high, just trading above 25.20 at the moment? So with the Fed's rate cut imminent, what do you think? Do you think that it will be 25 basis points, 50 basis points or higher than that? Will the Fed probably just see how the market will react with a small rate cut than a larger one, and where do we go from here with the next move on oil? Let's just get straight into the charts then. So on the daily chart at the moment for oil, as you can see here, we had a spike just above 25.30, but that wasn't a close. We didn't actually close above there. So today's market mood, if we do keep this bullish candlestick a little bit more full, then we'll have the first record closure on that daily candlestick. And if we just look on the 4-hour chart as well, we're just seeing now that price action, as I said, is firmly to the upside, and we're having another possible move higher. So that was the last record high at the close, 25.30 approximately. But since then, as you can see here, just a few dollars shy from that. So it isn't really too far to go. But will we get another bullish run? Well, from the morning, as you can see here from the opening, we are seeing a possible move higher. We've just moved over $11 in value at the moment, so it isn't really too far away. But with everything that's going on in the world, Middle Eastern conflict, obviously the Russia-Ukraine conflict, and with the Jackson Hole Symposium coming to an end, we have really strong bullish signs that gold will probably hit another high. Not looking too much of any divergences on the other side at the moment. Let's just swiftly move on to oil. We'll keep it on the 4-hour chart for now, because what we're seeing at the moment is we're seeing a slight gap on the opening here, and if we do cover this particular previous gap in the near term at least, then price action is expected to jump back to $80. So trading towards 76 at the moment. Another $4 jump isn't really out of the question. If we look from where we were just last week on the 22nd of August, we were trading just above 70, sorry, just below 72. Now we've jumped $4, and another $4 move isn't really out of the question. So just keep an eye out on all the latest fundamentals, because they're really driving commodities at the moment. Record highs on gold, very, very favorable. A lot of analysts already saying $2,700 is on the radar in the next couple of months, and possibly into next year we'll hit that magical $3,000 level for the yellow metal. We'll wait and see if that does happen, obviously, but as usual, we'll bring you all the latest in the big moves on our Telegram and YouTube channel. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.